Chris, what you doing, man?
What's up, man? What's up, bro?
What you doing your hair?
No. I was thinking. I was processing my thoughts. It gives me all that energy, that power, you know? Dude, I'm surprised people even watch this stuff. Anyways. So in this video, we're gonna talk about 3 ways to increase regular attendance. What you're gonna find is about half your members will attend 2 to 3 days per week. The other half might attend full time. You might have some people that will come and spend a half day with you and some that will spend the full day with you. And so you're gonna have to find ways to increase the regular attendance in order to create a healthy schedule, a predictable schedule. And 3 ways to do that are: number 1, you can offer transportation. By offering transportation, that allows you to have a little bit more control over the schedule. You know that people will be there that day because they're scheduled for transportation. You know that they'll be there more than likely for a full day because you might only offer it at certain times in the morning, certain times in the afternoon, but it's gonna help you create a certain level of consistency, okay? So number 2 is offering memberships. By having memberships, you're gonna have people commit to certain periods of time, to certain dollar amounts, to certain, whatever that might be. However you decide to bill, however you decide to do your, price structure, you can have memberships that encourage that ongoing regular attendance. And number 3 is you could use a scheduler or identify an estimated attendance where, maybe what you're doing is you're giving people the flexibility to use your services however they want, but they have to schedule it with you. So, maybe they schedule Monday, Wednesday, Friday, maybe they schedule Tuesday, Thursday, and they need to call you to change the schedule. And the nice part about that is it's gonna allow you to kind of predict who's coming this week, when are they coming, but holding people to a schedule is going to help increase regular attendance so people just don't disappear or fall off coming on a regular basis. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn more about how to open up your adult daycare, go to adcpro.com. Join us for our webinars, join us on our Facebook group, like, comment, subscribe, show some love. We'll see you on the next one. Now get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.